The manufacturing industry is a dynamic and competitive landscape, and for businesses to thrive, they must not only adapt but also strategically plan for growth and scalability. Whether you're a small startup or an established player, here's our top 10 tips on how to grow and scale in today's manufacturing industry. Invest in technology and automation, data-driven decision-making, flexible and agile operations, strategic partnerships, employee training and development, quality assurance and continuous improvement, diversified product offerings, sustainable practices, global market expansion, and financial planning and risk management. Scaling in the manufacturing industry requires a combination of strategic planning, technological innovation, and a commitment to quality and efficiency. For more details on any one of our tips, please visit our blog at eclipseautomation.com.